Hello, my name's Pat. I'm an associate director at the Lassonde Entrepreneurs Institute at the University of Utah, and right now we're standing in the Lassonde studios. Right here is the Neeleman Hangar. It's 20,000 square feet of workshop, maker space, innovation, and entrepreneur space here at the University of Utah. It's open to all University of Utah students, so no matter what your interests and your major, make sure to stop by and check us out. We do dozens and dozens of events throughout the year. You can find those online on our calendar at lassonde.utah.edu. We're going to do a quick tour of the space, give you some more information about what we offer here, so let's get started. So I'm standing here in our company launch space here at the Lassonde Studios. We've got over 15 different student startup teams who use the company launch space each semester. We provide office space, mentoring, milestone meetings, and experts for our company student companies in the launch space. So students can apply on our website. Again, it's free and open to all University of Utah students. One great resource for residents here at the Lassonde Studios is our front desk. So it's manned 24 hours a day. You can check out anything from cookie and baking sheets to virtual reality equipment. We also have free coffee in the Lassonde Studios for you to come by and grab when you're here. So I'm standing here in the Make Space. The Make Space, again, open to all University of Utah students. It's run by our Make team. So we have a team of tool mentors you'll notice with here in the space in green aprons that help you check out and use all the tools, get safety trained on the metal and wood shop, print and use the 3D printers, as well as our large format printer and laser cutters. So really we have all sorts of different tools and resources for you to prototype or work on whatever you need to work on. Again, just come in, stop by during the hours the Makespace is open and talk to one of our tool mentors. Look for the green aprons. So behind me is the Miller Cafe. It's where Lassonde residents can use their meal plans and get meals. It's also, again, open to all members of the campus community. It's made to order food. We can accommodate all diet types, and it's open late into the evening and early morning hours. So if you have a craving for 2 a.m. Chicken tenders, you can pick those up here. Again, Miller Cafe can accommodate all diet types, made to order food, open late. All right, let's go check out some of the residential floors upstairs, so follow me. So we're here on the 5th floor at the Lassonde Studios. It's the game design and animation floor. So we have 4 residential floors, each one with a different theme built around the university's strengths. So the rooms and the actual layout of the floor stays the same through each floor, but you'll notice the furniture and design changes based on each floor's theme. Students will reserve their room on the floor they are most interested in. So we have a lot of our game design and game studios here located on the 5th floor. So let's go check out the 4th floor. All right, we're here at the 4th floor. This is the outdoor adventures and gear floor. Students who are interested in the outdoor industry, maybe hiking, mountain biking, skiing, or snowboarding, really like to live on this floor. One thing to keep in mind too is that the upstairs residential floors are only open to Lassonde Studios residents and their guests. So you do have to live here to get upstairs. We're going to go now check out the 3rd floor and actually see one of our room types. So follow me. All right, now we're here at the 3rd floor. The theme of the 3rd floor is product design and arts. So it is really popular among students who are interested in design, the design process. Each floor does have laundry, and the laundry is included in your housing costs, so it's not an additional fee. But let's go talk to Sydney. She's one of our student leaders here at the Lassonde Entrepreneur Institute and a current resident here at the Lassonde Studios. She's going to show us a double room, so let's go.
Hi everyone, this is the double room in Lassonde. It comes with all the furniture that you see, so a bed, a dresser, wardrobe, all of that. Let's go check out the community space. So this is the community space. It has couches, tables, everywhere to hang out for residents. This is a great spot to make new friends and meet your neighbors.
Cool, thanks, Sydney. We're going to go finish up on the second floor here, so follow me. All right, we're here on the second residential floor. The theme of the second floor is global impact and sustainability. So students who are interested in sustainability studies or producing an impact and solving some of the global issues we face really like to live here on this floor to collaborate and work together. So this is our last residential floor. We would love for you to go on our website and apply to live with us. So students do have to apply to live here, and reach out to us with any questions, but thanks for visiting.